Matki is a popular folk dance of which state? A. Sikkim, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Jharkhand, D. Rajasthan. The answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Archaeological Survey of India was established during the period of which viceroy? A. Lord Irwin, B. Lord Wellington, C. Lord Wavell, D. Lord Curzon. The answer is D. Lord Curzon. Kati, a form of embroidery, belongs to which state? A. Punjab, B. Rajasthan, C. Gujarat, D. Manipur. The answer is C. Gujarat. Making India Awesome is a book authored by A. Chetan Bhagat, B. Anita Desai, C. Arundhati Roy, D. Amitav Ghosh. The answer is A. Chetan Bhagat. Who was the first Indian to receive the Raman Magsaysay Award? A. Chittaman Deshmukh, B. Amitav Chaudhary, C. Vinoba Bhave, D. Mother Teresa. The answer is C. Vinoba Bhave. Which country has the largest parliament in the world? A. China, B. Russia, C. India, D. USA. The answer is A. China. Which planet is known as dusty planet? A. Venus, B. Jupiter, C. Mercury, D. Mars. The answer is D. Mars. Which Indian state was earlier known as Magadha? A. Jharkhand, B. Bihar, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Madhya Pradesh. The answer is B. Bihar. Which is the state animal of Maharashtra? A. Gaur, B. Swamp deer, C. Indian giant squirrel, D. Gayal. The answer is C. Indian giant squirrel. How many Indian states shares border with Bhutan? A. 5, B. 6, C. 3, D. 4. The answer is D. 4. In which year fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution? A. 1976, B. 1963, C. 1972, D. 1956. The answer is A. 1976. In which state Bodo language is mainly spoken? A. Goa, B. Assam, C. Karnataka, D. Haryana. The answer is B. Assam. Which peak is known as Five Treasures of Snow? A. Everest, B. Nanda Devi, C. Mana Peak, D. Kanchenjunga. The answer is D. Kanchenjunga. Muga silk is associated with which state? A. Bihar, B. Gujarat, C. Assam, D. Kerala. The answer is C. Assam. Dandeli forest is situated in which state? A. Karnataka, B. Rajasthan, C. Tamil Nadu, C. Arunachal Pradesh. The answer is A. Karnataka. The scientific study of amphibians is called as A. Entomology, B. Ichthyology, B. Archaeology, D. Herpetology. The answer is D. Herpetology. Musi River is a tributary of which river? A. Krishna, B. Ganges, C. Yamuna, D. Godavari. The answer is A. Krishna. Who was the founder of Delhi Sultanate? A. Ibrahim Lodi, B. Qutbuddin Aibak, C. Rashia Sultana, D. Aram Shah. The answer is B. Qutbuddin Aibak. Which is the biggest part of the brain? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Hypothalamus. The answer is cerebrum. Extreme fear of flowers is called as A. Arachnophobia, B. Misophobia, C. Arithmophobia, D. Anthophobia. The answer is D. Anthophobia. In which state we can see Elephanta caves? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Karnataka. The answer is C. Maharashtra. In which year capital of India shifted from Calcutta to Delhi? A. 1911, B. 1899, C. 1905, D. 1914. The answer is A. 1911. Who is known as father of Indian White Revolution? A. Durkes Patel, B. M.S. Swaminathan, C. Varghese Kurian, D. Sam Pitroda. The answer is C. Varghese Kurian. What is the parliament name of Japan? A. Congress, B. Cortes, C. Kural, D. Diet. The answer is D. Diet. Jawaharlal Nehru Award is given for A. Social work, B. Literacy, C. International understanding, D. Education. The answer is C. International understanding.